Jaguar 2.0 benzene engine, Ecoobost, production year 2013. So we will check and do spark plugs replacement today. One, two, three, four. Yes. Eight millimeter. This is 16 millimeter. So it's a Ford, it's not Jaguar. This is 2.0 2-liter Ecoobost motor from Ford Mondeo or Ford Focus, so say. So we will change the spark plugs. You see, this is a bad sign. But it's okay, working. Let's change. Definitely, when you pay for Ford brand, it's cheaper than Jaguar. So this is the PMS QFS 085, and this is the code number for Ford. I don't know if you can see it. 1685720, or BM5G 12405CA. So let's check it. You see, this is the old one and this is the brand new one. See, the new one is a little bit longer, but I will check it if it works or not. So let me see. It's like 5 millimeter longer, even less. So what we do, we use this anti-size grace, little bit, not too much. So like this, so that we can take out this spark plug easily. Otherwise it's a nightmare. You cannot take it out because it's heating, you know, I mean the cylinder body. So be sure that this side is clean. Put it inside. So be very gentle. in the beginning. It says 25 Newton meters, the tightening torque. But unfortunately I don't have a torque wrench, so I will use my skills to measure it. Okay, so this is almost tight now, so I'll make it like 45 degrees after the final position. So let's see. There inside. And we put the coil, plug coils. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. This is exactly 2-liter petrol engine from Ford Motor Company. Yeah, now the engine is getting hotter, so the idle is going down to normal.